Larson Electronics explosion-proof on and off tumbler switch is a feed-through tumbler switch which is front operated, dust ignition proof, and 20 amp rated. This particular unit accepts currents ranging from 120 to 277 volt AC. The wiring hub is offered in 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch, and the unit is a feed-through model. This unit is constructed of non-sparking aluminum and is triple coated. The lever is connected to a threaded stainless steel shaft that passes through the faceplate. This front level rotary style switch allows for padlocking in the on or off position. The entire unit is completely corrosion resistant. The unit box, switch, and faceplate are all included with this product. These switches are ideal for installation in chemical plants, petrochemical plants, refineries, and other process industries. The following options are available. Here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.